I wanted to revisit where I am at after 2 weeks when I made a similar video such as this one about the new monetization policies that YouTube has. And I really can't emphasize enough that I do not think YouTube has unrealistic expectations of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The reason that I think that is just because in 2 weeks' time, I'm going to show you where I'm at. First of all, I'm in good status. I'm partner verified. I haven't violated any copyright statuses. I don't have any strikes against me or community guidelines. I don't have anything like that. So when I click on the monetization tab here, it's telling me that I have 132 watch hours. That has just about doubled just in 2 weeks. So I know that this doesn't seem like a lot at all to, anyone, big YouTubers who have been on here for a while. But for me, being on here for less than 2 months, this means a lot to me. So I feel that I can reach this 4,000 goal. And also the last time, 2 weeks ago, when I made a similar video, I also only had, I believe it was 29 subscribers. I now have 37 subscribers. So as I continue to work on trying to make better videos, this number is going to go up, and so is this number right here. But I've also learned something else in the last 2 weeks. There are a lot of other ways to monetize your channel. You cannot rely on just waiting for, reaching the 1,000, 4,000 policy. You're not going to make a lot of money that way just having Google AdSense. You're going to have to do a lot of other things, and such as affiliate marketing. And that's something that I'm very interested in getting into. And, just a little bit about myself. I am a single working mom. I work Monday through Friday. And here lately on the weekends, I've been spending my time working here at home doing things like this instead of going out. So I am trying very hard to get where I want to be, not just with YouTube, but in life itself. And I also can't say enough about these analytics. They are absolutely awesome. I mean, I've got people from all over the world who have watched my video. Some people in Canada, the UK, Morocco, everything. Also, I've been increasing, like my watch time here. It has increased 192.48% compared to the previous period. I'll skip my views. It has increased 151.89% compared to the previous period. So I'm growing. It might be slow growing, but I'm growing. And I can't believe that the very first video that I made, which was horrible quality, I filmed it in portrait mode. Once again, I've learned a lot since I first started. It already has over 1,000 views. So I'm really impressed with that. And I need to go through and make YouTube thumbnails for everything, and just continue to learn how to improve my videos and make them better. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I don't want this to turn into a bashing session over YouTube's new policy. I know I watched a few videos where there were so many people who were just so angry over the new policy, and I don't look at it as something to be angry about. I look at it as a challenge. It's on. So, please do leave a comment. Also, if you like the video, please click the subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload more videos, which is going to be a lot. So Thanks for watching, and everyone have a great day.